Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. I'm back with another series from Beat the Heat. Today let's prepare this bright red, healthy and delicious cold-pressed pomegranate juice. The benefits of cold-pressed juice are boundless. You can use cold-pressed juices to improve your overall health. It floods your body with nutrients which can be rapidly absorbed by your body. Gives you an instant energy boost as soon as you drink it. Normal juicing methods often destroy precious enzymes and vitamins in fruits. The main issue with a juicer is the heat from the blades, which oxidize the nutrients from the fruits. So you're getting less nutritious juice. So today let's prepare this nutritious cold pressed juice. So take 2 pomegranates. Today I'll also show you how you can easily take out the arils from the pomegranate. Discard the top portion of the pomegranate and give 4 slits on the sides. Now take a bowl. Now open the fruit and push it down slowly and separate the arils from the fruit. Once you take out all the beautiful red pearls from the pomegranate, all you need to make the cold pressed juice is a vegetable masher. Press this vegetable masher into the fruit until you extract all the juice from it. To make the cold pressed juice, normally we need those fancy machines or big equipments to extract the juice. But with this vegetable masher, at least from some fruits like watermelon, pomegranate, grapes, we can easily make the cold pressed juice. Once you extract all the juice from it, you can just strain it and have it. When you pour this juice into a glass, you can see the bright red color, which is the real color of this fruit. And when you taste it, you can feel the intense flavor of the real fruit juice. So you don't have to add any sugar, water or any other ingredients to this juice. So definitely try this out at home. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Check out more videos from our channel. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new notifications.